an important question. A and B are two independent events, then the probability of occurrence of at least one of A and B is given by 1 minus P A naught P B naught. Probability of A naught, probability of B naught. Now, probability for at least one of A and B, at least one of A and B, at least one of A and B, this is given by probability for A or B. Is it clear? Now to A or B, what we can write it? Probability of A plus probability for B minus probability for A and B. Probability for A or B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B. Probability of A plus probability for B minus probability for A, probability for B. Now, condition what it is? Given A and B are independent events. Therefore, we can write it P A and B is P A times P B. Now, plus probability of B, if we are taking common from these two, then we are having 1 minus probability for A. 1 minus probability for A naught plus probability of B with probability of A naught. Now, what we have done to this PA, we have written this thing, and to this we have written this thing. Is it clear? So, now 1 minus P A naught with 1 minus P B, 1 minus P A naught P B naught. Hence, at least one of A and B is equal to 1 minus P A naught P B naught. Proved.